Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about how to calculate the emissivity of any given body. Now you know that there are the three different modes of heat transfer, that is one conduction, convection and radiation, and we have conducted the several experiments in conduction and convection. Now this is the experiment to falls under radiation. Now we are going to calculate the emissivity of a given surface. Now if you see this is experimental setup wherein there are two different bodies are there. This is a black body and this is a grey body. A body which is other than black are also termed as white body or a grey body. Now if you look at into the experimental setup more clearly, there are yellow color wires are there, they are connected to the thermocouple, and this black body consists of three thermocouples, and here white body also has got three thermocouples, and one thermocouple is exactly at the center. It is going to tell you the ambient temperature inside this chamber. Now if you look at this knob is used to set amount of heat transfer to the black body. When you want to transfer the amount of heat to the black body, this knob should be rotated, and when you rotate it, it is going to show what amount of voltage and what will be the emitter. At that time this knob should be at 1. It shows that when the knob is at 1, it's related to the black body. Now if you want to transfer the heat, if you want to give the heat for the grey body, this knob is used to transfer the heat for the grey body. At that time the knob should be turned at 2. Now let us see, it shows that voltage is 30 and the emitter is 0.12. Now in this experiment we need to take care that amount of heat supplied to the black body is slightly greater than the grey body. For the black body I have given voltage at 45, for grey body I kept a voltage at 30. You can give a difference of 10 to 15 voltage. Now let us begin how to calculate the take the readings from this experiment. Now I will shift to this knob 1. It shows that now what reading we are going to take with respect to the black body. Okay. Now this is a temperature indicator wherein the knob is at temperature 1. Now if you see at this temperature is 58 degrees Celsius. Now if I go for the knob 2, here it will records a temperature at 58 and temperature C T3 is also 58. These T1, T2, T3 are related to the black body. Okay. Now if you want to measure the temperature of the grey body, now I will shift this knob to 2 and rest temperature T3, T4, T5 are calculated for the grey body. Now let us see. Now T4 temperature, now this temperature related to the grey body. Now it shows 49 degrees Celsius. T5 is, that is, it will getting stabilized. T5 is in the range of 45 to 48. Now it's a T5 is 48 degrees Celsius and T6 is also 48 degrees Celsius. It shows that a uniform temperature distribution entire the body. Now if I go for the T7, it shows what is the ambient temperature, that is 38 degrees Celsius. While taking all these readings, easily we can calculate emissive power of the any body. Once again I will highlight, this is the black body and this is the grey body. By using this one we are going to calculate the emissivity of any grey body. As we know, we studied in radiation heat transfer, any black body is emissivity is 1, and other than black body the emissivity of any body or a grey body or white body is considered to be less than 1. It ranges from 0.1 to 0.9.